When dear friends and family came to visit from another province, you want to give them a glimpse of what best parts of where you live. For us here in Alberta, that usually means the mountains. They are close enough for a day trip, and every visit feels like a gift.
I think it's about 6.5 hours. That would be pretty hard to go down, I think. But isn't the launching point right where all those cars go? You can go there, but they also come back. So this road.
This time, we chose Elbow Lake Trail, a hike that rewards you quickly.
Lauheed. We just went. That was the turn into Peter Lauheed. So we're here, I think. And we're gonna go up in here where there's a lake. And kind of up through this valley and then between these mountains here. Died when she was only 65.
It's short enough for kids, but still full of variety. There is 1.2-kilometer uphill stretch at the start. But don't worry, once you reach the top, the view opens up to this beautiful clear lake, framed by mountain peaks. We pause here for a while, letting the kids play and just taking it in.
Too small to eat.
Elbow Lake has something for everyone. You can picnic, fish, or keep exploring deeper into the meadow.
Look at him. With the red fins like that. That's some kind of trout. Yeah, it's a trout. That's what it is back where I was saying this trout hatchery. Yeah. Called refraction.
There's someone on that mountain.
I thought I saw people moving, but no, I didn't.
Probably didn't.
Yes. I would assume you can.
If you're in Alberta, let yourself wander here. Autumn paints the mountains in gold during large season. A fleeting, magical moment not to be missed.
I like the seats on this one. What happened to the people?
Surrounded by Mount Ray on one side and Mount Alpoca on the other. The air feels different up here, lighter, calmer.
Mount Rayon, up there, just to the left of the glacier.
Since we had more time, we kept going to Edworthy Falls. The trail is moderate, but the last bit does get steep. The kind of challenge that makes the reward feel even sweeter. The sound of the water rushing over the rocks has a way of quieting the mind. If you decide to visit, I'd suggest starting early. That way you can spend more time enjoying the lake or even wander further into Desolation Flat.
This would be far better on the bikes. I remember when we were going down here, you're going about 70 kilometers potholes for comfort. No. This is a good downhill though, Cliff. Hey? Terrible uphill.
And of course, after a day outside, we ended with one of our favorite spots in Canmore. Good food, good company, and what else can we ask? Simple days like this remind me happiness is not about grand plans. It's about sharing places you love, savoring what's already around you, and seeing it all again through someone else's eyes.
It's a lot like a baked Alaska. Yes.
No, the
Oh, sorry. No,
See you next time.